So this is another one of my garden beds. I have nasturtiums at the end of it. And I trimmed this all up. I need to do another trimming. But as you can see, this has a lot of dead growth. So I'm going to cut all this out. And I'm going to trim it up really, really well. I did a lot of weeding. Obviously, still have to do more. It's hard to get rid of all those weeds. And this is this variety here is pink perfume, so it's a little bit more delicate. And so I cut out a lot of this here. I trimmed all this back. That's all. That was all hanging over. Let's see, I have a lot of it here. This is all dead. It could be winter damage too, but I had a huge flowering. So I have to take care of this and trim this all back. Let's see, the soil underneath is nice and dark. It holds together, it has enough moisture. That's how you tell. And it's dark soil, so it's healthy soil, but I'm going to put more organic mulch. And I mulch it with leaves for winter protection. I still have a little bit here. But it needs good air circulation. And so as you can see, let me back out here. This is beautiful. This is several plants right here. I'd say probably maybe 8 to 9, and they were all little plants, just like smaller than my hand. And this bedding here of lavender plants, like this one right here, see, that was planted in the spring, and I just weeded around it, so it needs to be mulched a little bit more. But next year it'll be bigger. It'll probably quadruple in size. And this is my lavender bed right here in Vermont, and I'm a zone 4B, and these plants, Munstead is a zone 4. So it's an ideal lavender plant for Vermont in the colder region. You just want to make sure that you mulch it in October. And leaves are the best way to do it. And then in the spring, if you want to add a little bit of lime, do not add a lot of it, just a little bit. Organic mulch is the best way to go, especially if it's been composted. And as you know, I have chickens, and I use their composted manure for a lot of my plants. So let me back this out. I can show you my bed. One of my lavender beds. So thank you for joining me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vermont Lavender, and follow me on Facebook.